locker belongs to a perfectionist.
Huh.
And this one belongs to a slob. Ouch! Hot mess! Ben is late. The blue-eyed girl has been waiting for ages. Where is he? What's taking so long? Ben, where are you? I'm gonna get old soon.
Hey.
Well, finally! Ben, do you know what time it is? Sorry. Here, I brought you flowers. Look how beautiful they are.
Huh?
Ben, this is a floral nightmare. How old are these flowers? Where did you even get them? How could you do this, Ben? Look at yourself. You are always late and unorganized. I'm fed up with it. I'm leaving. So what is Ben supposed to do now? How can he change his life and get his act together? Fate, give me a sign. Here it is, an ad from above. A perfectionist at your disposal for an hour. I see you need my help, Ben. Don't fight back and trust me. Do you think your life is a big failure? Don't worry, I'll help you put yourself in order. Is that your laptop sticking out of the backpack? Give it to me. Let's see. How terrible! What is this pile of desktop shortcuts? And this is yesterday's food. That won't do. It's no wonder your life is such a mess. Perfectionist Tommy quickly cleans all the unnecessary stuff from the laptop. Put it all in trash. There you go, Ben. Now your desktop is spick and span. Let's keep changing your life. Ben's room check. Wow, you are the winner of this year's biggest mess award. When was the last time someone cleaned here? Perfectionist Tommy marks all Ben's mistakes. And what is that? A pile in the middle of the carpet? What's hiding in there? I see. This is how Ben sweeps the floor. He just sweeps wrappers under the rug. That's shocking. And what are you going to do with this collection of wrappers? What do you mean? I'm going to make a paper angel, of course. Ben, time to put the trash out of your room in a trash can, not under your rug. Now that's way better. Hang on, what's that?
Uh-oh.
Another pile of wrappers? Ben, you are a lost cause. This burger is missing ketchup. I'll add some. Whoops! Now there's a giant red stain on my wall, and it looks like a crime scene. What do I do? I know. I need something. No, not this. And not this. A frame! Perfect!
Oh.
I'm gonna create my own masterpiece. Now there's a painting in my kitchen. I'll call it a blot of existence. Great! I'm an artist. Hey, Ben! What's that? This is my new art project. Just imagine a whole series of everyday still life paintings. Fate of a burger. Death of an egg. Seeds of reality. It's gonna be groundbreaking. You know what, artist? Here's a sponge. Go clean your masterpiece.
Uh-oh.
It seems like Ben has learned all the self-management lessons. The kitchen is clean. There are no dirty dishes. And the sink is empty. Good job, Ben. Well done. Phew, thank God. Tommy left me alone. He just didn't notice the printed picture of an empty sink. And now let's take a look in your closet. Oh no! Do you store food in here? Are you a squirrel? We need to put food where it belongs, in the kitchen. Oh no! Ben stores clothes in his fridge. Of course! Everything is different in this house. Hang on, Tommy. I know a great life hack that'll help us clean clothes fast. A vacuum cleaner. We can suck up the whole closet. And all the clothes will be folded in just a few minutes.
Huh.
What? We are not done yet? Fine, let's move on. Snack time! But when Ben eats, food flies everywhere. It's disgusting! Perfectionist Tommy eats in a completely different way. He puts his breakfast in alphabetical order. Ben, this is the way polite and organized people eat.
Oh.
That's so boring! Ben, what's that? Your calendar? Do you still live in 2017?
Hey!
That won't do! Organized people know how to manage their time. So I'm giving you a new wall organizer as a gift. Sketch on a cork sheet in pencil. Coat the square spaces with different colors of acrylic paint. Define the margins with a marker. Attach printed titles. Urgent, not urgent, important, not important. Wrap push pins in black light clay. Make the tips bigger. Cut out printed stickers of emojis representing errands and tasks. And attach them to the push pins. Attach the pins to the side field of the table. And now Ben will be able to categorize his errands into what's urgent and what's not. You just have to attach a pin to the right part of the organizer. Now your day will be perfectly planned, and you'll know what you have to do. Perfectionist Tommy keeps inspecting Ben's room. Ouch! What's that? Ben, are you trying to kill me? It's no big deal. Just push pins scattered all over the floor. I walk like this all the time. Why torture yourself when you can use a special device? A push pin magnet with a mirror. Wrap a round magnet with Tulle. Sew the Tulle around the edge and pull it tight. Glue a mirror to the back. Cover the sides with old decorations. Glue on buttons, pendants, beads, and different accessories. Coat all the decorations with gold acrylic paint. When you have this handy magnet, you can quickly pick up metallic things. For example, push pins. And don't walk on needles anymore. You are not a yogi. What a nice tool! Ouch! Another one! Whoops! While perfectionist Tommy is cleaning, Ben is chewing on something. Nutshells are falling on the floor. Ben, you were definitely a squirrel in your previous life. Come on, empty your pockets. Nuts fall out of them, but Tommy quickly catches them with his pocket snack organizer. Cut 3 rectangular strips from a piece of a plastic folder. Cut the strips in the center and stick them into each other to get sections. Apply a drop of hot glue to the joint. Put the separator in a metallic mint drop box. Decorate the lid with a ribbon and a bow. Attach a printed label that says Snack Disc on top. Here's your personal snack organizer, Ben. You can empty your pockets and put all your snacks in one box with a lid. This is very useful.
Wow.
Thank you, Tommy. Ben, keep in mind, an organized person keeps everything organized. Here, this is a handy organizer for small things. Cut a big rectangular hole in an empty Pringles box. Copy it on a few tube boxes. Make some boxes shorter. Cut a few boxes like in the video. Cover the bottom with cardboard. Glue all pieces to a rectangular piece of cardboard. Create a pyramid. Coat the organizer with silver spray paint. Ben puts the organizer to use right away. There's a lot of space for my favorite snacks. Chips, nuts, soda, candy. Everything is right here. This is a perfect food stand. Ben, you got it wrong again. This is an organizer for small objects. A brush, glasses, not food. Phew! No one will take away my chocolate. You can put the organizer in the hall, and all your random small things will be in one place and always nearby. You are ready for your new perfectly planned life. Ben, I'm so proud of you. Good luck on your date. Sorry, blue-eyed girl. Now I will be as neat and organized as you are. Can I come in? No, you can't. Whoops! The fake wall fell down. Turns out the blue-eyed girl is just as messy as Ben is. Now that's unexpected. Did you like our life hacks for organized people? Then comment below what you'd use. Would you make a stand for small things? Or clean your clothes with a vacuum cleaner? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new useful life hacks from Troom.